Are you having problems that your Wizz app is not sending messages and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you. This is how I fixed it myself. I firstly actually closed my Wizz app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here I just scrolled down, I clicked on general, I scrolled down again and I clicked on storage. And then in here you can see it's loading now, and I had to basically wait a couple of seconds, if you're really unlucky a couple of minutes, for all of the apps in here to load. So you can see it's still loading right here. And yeah, it can take you a couple of seconds. When it's done, just swipe up, click on search here and search for for Wizz obviously. And then click on upload app, and once again down below here click on upload app and just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here. So we're just going to keep waiting for it to load and then click on reinstall app. Now just simply wait for your Wizz app here to update to its latest version. Sometimes you have to click on the app itself just to force it to update once again. And now just wait for it to load. As you can see, it says loading now here for me. Just wait for it to update to its absolute latest version, and when it's done, go back and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.